Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something game-changing for busy professionals, micro-workouts. If you're struggling to find time for fitness, these quick 10 to 15-minute routines are your perfect solution. Let's dive in. What are micro-workouts? You might be wondering, what exactly are micro-workouts? Well, they're short, high-intensity workout sessions that fit seamlessly into your busy day. Micro-workouts offer 1. Time efficiency, just 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Flexibility, do them anytime, anywhere. 3. Proven benefits, boosts metabolism, energy, and focus. No excuses. Whether you're at work, at home, or on the go, micro-workouts make fitness more accessible than ever. Why should you consider micro-workouts? The benefits go way beyond saving time. They help with 1. Consistency. No need for long hours at the gym. 2. Increased energy. Perfect for beating that afternoon slump. 3. Fat loss. Quick bursts of movement can boost your metabolism. 4. Mental clarity. A short session can clear your mind and improve focus. Even 10 minutes can make a big impact. Routine number 1, office quick fix. Let's kick things off with a simple office-friendly workout that you can do right at your desk. Routine 1, chair squats, 30 seconds. 2, desk push-ups, 30 seconds. 3, seated leg lifts, 30 seconds. 4, triceps dips on chair, 30 seconds. 5, standing calf raises, 30 seconds. Repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times for a quick energy boost between meetings. Routine number 2, home HIIT blast. Next up, a high-intensity interval training HIIT routine you can do at home with no equipment. 1. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. 2. Bodyweight squats, 30 seconds. 3. Push-ups, 30 seconds. 4. Plank holds, 30 seconds. 5. Lunges, 30 seconds. 6. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. This routine will get your heart pumping and burn calories fast. Routine number 3, quick core burn. Short on time. Let's fire up your core with this 10-minute routine. 1. Plank hold, 30 seconds. 2. Russian twists, 30 seconds. 3. Bicycle crunches, 30 seconds. 4. Leg raises, 30 seconds. 5. Superman hold, 30 seconds. Try this daily for a stronger, more defined core. Routine number 4, park power circuit. Make the most of your outdoor time with this fun park workout. 1. Bench step UPS, 30 seconds. 2. Incline push-ups on bench, 30 seconds. 3. Lunges around the park, 30 seconds. 4. Jump squats, 30 seconds. 5. Plank shoulder taps, 30 seconds. Perfect for lunchtime breaks or a quick morning session. Traveling? No worries. Here's a no-equipment hotel workout you can do in just 10 minutes. Routine 1, wall sit, 30 seconds. 2. Bed triceps dips, 30 seconds. 3. Suitcase rows, 30 seconds. 4. Jump rope, imaginary, 30 seconds. 5. Crunches, 30 seconds. Staying fit while traveling has never been easier. Sticking to micro workouts is all about making them part of your routine. Here's how to stay on track. 1. Set reminders on your phone. 2. Keep a resistance band at your desk or in your bag. 3. Reward yourself after completing workouts. 4. Find a workout buddy for accountability. Small habits lead to big results over time. Don't forget to cool down after your micro workouts to prevent stiffness and improve flexibility. Routine 1, standing quad stretch, 30 seconds. 2. Seated hamstring stretch, 30 seconds. 3. Cat-cow stretch, 30 seconds. 4. Shoulder rolls, 30 seconds. Stretching helps your muscles recover and keeps you feeling great. And that's it for today's video on micro workouts. Whether you're squeezing in fitness at work, at home, or on the go, remember, small efforts add up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fitness tips. Comment below, what's your favorite micro workout?